tyttö tuoppa sitä kahvia tänne pariskeles. Meikäläinen juo kahvia. Onpa helvetin hyvää kahvia. Nice, you're here. Hey. Coffee time for me. But Finnish time for you. You know, you have to know some things, some little things about Finnish people. You know, what comes to coffee. We drink a lot. Really. Maybe too much. We drink tea as well, but coffee. Finns and coffee, you know, it match. Yeah. But more about Finnish people, how to be, how to sound like a Finn when you speak. First of all, a little story from my life. Okay. Don't leave me now. Just a second. Little moment. When I started to learn languages, when I started to learn English language, my kind of personality changes a little bit. It changed a little bit. Because I used to speak like this in Finnish. No mitä? No minun pitää lähteä käymään tuolla kaupassa. Joo. Meikäläinen lähtee nyt tuota kauppaa. So I spoke very slowly because I come from East, so where people are retarded. People are slower and smarter and cocky, kind of, you know, twisted minded. Oh, scary people from East, so I'm Eastern man. Hey, so when you speak Finnish, when I spoke Finnish and when I started to speak English, everything changed. You know, I noticed that if I speak English, I can't speak English like this way, how I spoke Finnish. So I can't do it like it. You know, so when you speak Finnish, when you learning Finnish, if you come from Spain or you speak English as your mother language, so you have to slow down, and it's good. You know, you can go and say, minä haluan kahvia, kiitos. Ja saisinko yhden pullan, kiitos. So it's just natural way to say things slowly. So you don't need to speak so quickly and be like Italia, pizza, capriano, I have the pizza, please, mozzicana. No, you don't need to be like that. You can be like moikka, no moro, yksi pizza. And kiitos, we don't say kiitos like English people say, can I have a cup of coffee, please? This is, it's not tea. So you don't need to be like that. You have to be like this. Perkele, anna sitä kahvia nyt. Miksi ei se nainen tuo sitä kahvia? You have to be like a little bit like, not yourself. You have to change your personality. Because language is this. We do this many kind of things, you know, right? So you have to be a Finn, like slowly, a little bit like a stupid, you know, you don't use big words in Finnish language. It's just normal words. Like in English, they use these big words and they love them, you know. But in Finnish, just normal stuff, like minä menen kauppaan. Minulla on kahvia. Minä juon kahvia. Just normal stuff. And in Finnish language, try to learn, and you sound Finnish when you learn these y, u sounds. Like u, y, ä, sounds. There are like 4 sounds you have to start practicing, and it's a good way to learn like this sound. When you go out, maybe you have been out already in Finland here, and you've gone to nightclub, and maybe you have drunk too much, you know, like a Finn does. So you've gone there, and then you feel, oh, I need to vomit. Yrjötä. Yrjötä, hyi. Sound. And same, a little bit different. Maybe you're so wasted, you're so drunk, and then you say, horrible thing. So, sound. So that's the way. Go out, drink, and get wasted. No, I'm not encouraging you to drink. Nobody, you know, don't drink. If you drink, it's your responsibility. Not mine. You know, I only drink coffee. Okay, so how to be Finn? How to sound like Finn? Speak slower. When you use Finnish words, when you go to coffee shop. We don't have coffee shops here. Just coffee place, and say, minä haluan kahvia, kiitos. Slowly, I want coffee. Minä haluan kahvia. And if you go to pizza place, you just say, 1 pizza. And no kiitos. And sounds. You have to learn those sounds. Okay, hey, thanks for watching. And this was kind of very informal stuff here today. See you next time. And be like a Finn. Yeah.